I had just completed my graduation. I had completed my graduation from my hometown. I was excited to take admission in post-graduation because for the first time I was going to study in the metro city. But also nervous because I was so shy in nature, I was too calculative to talk to someone, and I was also from below average family, so financially was not strong. Always thinking that how will be college days, how I will manage with those students and so on. First day of my college was an introduction day. I had spoken to no one in the class apart from introduction. I saw a very cute girl in my class and I was impressed by her. She was so cute, she was completely in mind. The whole day I only noticed her. I decided that I will talk to her, but no way, I had no courage to talk to her. Slowly I came to know that she was from a rich family and so brilliant, she always topped her academics. Then I thought that she will not accept my friendship because of her standards. And now I had good friends, they liked me because of my nature. But after the end of 1 year of my PG, I had never spoken to any girl of my class. But she was always in my mind and I tried to talk to her but never succeeded because of my overthinking and hesitation. I had also known that she had a graduation time boyfriend. I was so sad, but what do? I didn't know. I decided that I will propose to her one day, but that day never came in college time. But one day there was an intra-college curriculum activity and I decided to take part. Taking part in this was needed a partner, so decided and talked to her that please participate with me. She did not agree but told that she will confirm later. Next, she told me that she will participate. I was so happy I can't imagine. In this activity, we were the winner. And from now I talk to her whenever I got opportunity. She also talked to me. And came the last day of college but no courage to speak to her. She topped all the semesters. She had gone to her hometown and started career in teaching, and I was shifted in Delhi for job purpose and started a job. After 2 months, she called me for some work. And again I started to talk to her. After some time I proposed to her with a text message and also wrote that if you do not agree, please don't be angry. I want to only express my emotions. She genuinely replied that I have a boyfriend and we are just good friends and will be. I was so happy that I expressed myself and she replied genuinely. After 1 year she told me some problems with a friend. After some days when I saw that there was a big problem, I again proposed to her and directly said that will you marry me? She took some time but accepted. Now we're so happy. After some time later I met her parents. They also accepted me. But to date, I had never spoken to my parents. When I told them, they were so angry with me because of intercaste. But somehow I managed and they agreed. Now we are married and living happily with her and parents. Everyone in my family is so happy with her. Morals: it is never late, always express yourself without any confusion.